Chairman MSME Council Shri Akhilesh Jain ji, and representing our knowledge partner Researchgate India, Shri Utkarsh Goya. Ladies and gentlemen, eminent speakers, friends from media, it is indeed a great privilege and honor for me to welcome you all to this second edition of Manufacturing and MSME Council. On behalf of ASSOCHAM family, our president, our regional chairman, and the senior members, thank you so much for connecting with us and being with us. That's the first thing which I want to convey to you. Let me begin with the lines of Carey Baskets. The great differentiator in business is when an organization steps out and create values from something never tried before. Most of you are familiar with the book Modern Manufacturing. And let me share, ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed an honor and privilege for us that in this hall we have great organization and visionary leaders who have started from the scratch, from the ground zero, and taken it all to the top. It is our privilege we are sharing this space with them today. When we initiated this project last year, we knew we are trying to create something resourceful. It wasn't just about doing sessions, and it wasn't just about one-way presentations or lecture. What we intended was to connect and recognize that there are gaps in attaining excellence and we can work together to achieve it. This conference is all about art and science of combining the strength of corporates to benefit each other. Therefore, the different tracks which are there today will give you the opportunity and will also challenge both sides, this side and that side, to discuss and to come forward globally. During the course of the day, there will be series of speakers who will be joining us, and we will also have Mr. V. Teja Deepak, IAS, Government of West Bengal, joining us towards the later part of the day. Let me put forward a thought in front of this august gathering, and especially for our panelists during the day. From the simple tools and tech-enabled complex industrial products, we have come a long way, and all that has happened because of innovation. So innovation is key, and we are a generation which is witnessing the engineering excellence. Assistant Vice President, Researchgate India Limited, sir, for the Knowledge Report address. Big round of applause.
I thank the ASSOCHAM for inviting me to share the insights on the knowledge report. Manufacturing sector today accounts for 17% of the country's GDP and employs more than 27 million people. The government aims to increase manufacturing sector's contribution to the economy to 25% by 2025. As we move ahead, the Indian manufacturing landscape has a promising future. However, there are four major gaps which we would need to address. Firstly, manufacturing lags behind the employment growth. We are in 2023, still in contrast to many East Asian economies, India has struggled to shift its employment base significantly from agriculture to manufacturing. Agriculture continues to dominate the employment landscape, accounting for approximately 50% of the total employment within the industry, whereas only contributing 20% to the Indian economy. A company's sustainability and ethical practices, helping companies prioritize environmental sustainability by reducing waste, minimizing their carbon footprint, and adopting clean energy resources. Efficient allocation of resources towards ESG initiatives holds substantial promise for Indian manufacturers as it aims to set itself apart on the global stage.
On navigating growth, India's manufacturing and MSME sector. Can we have some louder applause, please? Thank you so much. Thank you so much to all our respected dignitaries. Kindly take that.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and special guests and my dear friends. Today I am honored to address you as a CMD of Bridge and Roof, an engineering, procurement, construction and manufacturing company to discuss further aspects of our corporate identity. Our commitment to bring an ESG, environmental, social and governance responsible organization in the engineering and construction industry. I would like to thank ESCOM for inviting me to the National Manufacturing and MSME Conclave focusing on ESG, which is the need of the hour. In the dynamic world of EPC, where projects save and landscape, we innovate ESG principles have been taken at center stage. Our commitment to ESG not merely a choice, it's an imperative in today's global landscape.
Tide Water Oil Company India Limited. Congratulations. Thank you so much. The next category is customer-centric and customer services excellence in the context of ESG. I repeat, customer-centric and customer services excellence in the context of ESG goes to Vesuvius India Limited. Congratulations, please come and receive this excellence award. The next category is Smart and Future Ready Factory goes to Berger Paints India Limited. Team Berger Paints India Limited. Congratulations, Smart and Future Ready Factory. Berger Paints India Limited. Heartiest congratulations. Thank you so much. And also a warm thanks to our special guest, ACM Shri Arup Raha sir.